Hello everyone, it's Chris from SheffLOCK. Hope everybody's okay. Just a quick video just to let you know about our CCTV installs that are available for supplying and fitting. We've got some great deals on. We offer a bespoke service, so each customer's house, business premise is relevant to your needs, your wants. So we haven't got a blanket price guide for you, but if you just contact us via the many methods that we'll leave in the link below, you can just tell us how many cameras you want, how long you want it to record. We can very quickly discuss with you the quality of it with regards to how many megapixels, HD quality, all these things are standard pretty much. But with regards to that, if you want to just contact us, it's a great opportunity. Like I say, some fantastic deals, and CCTV is a great tool to have in home security armoury when it comes to preventing crime. It's a visible deterrent. Our systems offer you motion detection, so you are aware of somebody in and around your property or business that shouldn't be there. This is all used on your smartphone, so you can use it anywhere in the world at any time as long as you've got a signal. There are options if you want to. You can upgrade the CCTV to be able to do two-way talk. Audio recording, so you can hear sound, is standard now with our systems. And all the systems are fitted by professionals with loads of experience, so you get a nice, neat install. So if you're interested in this great security product, give us a call. You'll be pleasantly surprised with regards to the prices that we offer and ultimately the service that we provide. Take care. Bye.